Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at curbside offers over at Walgreens. So you're going to hit that blue box, order this stuff through a desktop, computer, cell phone, or tablet, drive to the store, and go to the photo counter and get your stuff. And if you could take a second and give this video a thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. It really helps out my channel if you could just take a quick second and like this video. Thank you so much, guys. I know a lot of you are going really hard on this awesome bacon deal this week. That $2 rebate from IBOTTA reset on my account. So this morning, I even bought more yesterday at $8. So I was able to get an extra $4 back. So if you went bacon crazy and you have more receipts, by all means, check on your IBOTTA account if it reset. And if by chance somebody went and cleared all the bacon at your location, don't be shy to ask for a rain check as well to get maximum savings on this price of even 2 for $8. First thing this morning, I got this booster on one of my accounts, $10 to Walgreens cash when you spend $50. It's valid from the 6th to the 8th, so Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. If you might have gotten spend a penny, get 10, or spend a penny, get back 5, if you could be so kind to send me a screenshot on Instagram, here is my name on Instagram, I would really appreciate that. I understand curbside isn't for every shopper. Some of you like to go and look and see what they have at the store. I made a very decisive haul video yesterday looking at various deals, the best deals of the week. So check out this video. I'll link it at the very end if this is more of your style of shopping. I tried to throw in some deals with this $3 off Hallmark Mother's Day manufacturer coupon. Unfortunately, stores have not stocked this, or it's not in the computer as of yet. Somewhat frustrating, but definitely go through your digital coupons folder, and if you have them, I got like 6 or 7 of them, load all of them, guys, and we will have a deal to go with this digital. It's just not this week, but it's going to be forthcoming, so just load it. Okay, deal number 1. So if you are running low on vitamins, this is the deal for you. The 100 count of the Centrum multivitamin is $11.99. You're going to load this $4 digital. Look at that expiry date, the end of August. Head over to your IBOTTA account, and there's a $4 rebate for this. So make sure that your Walgreens and IBOTTA is linked, or you get a receipt because you're going to need one for this. $11.99. Curbside pickup is free. No tax for vitamins in the state of Michigan. $4 manufacturer there coming off $7.99. I would use some Walgreens cash. Make that submission to IBOTTA for $4 back. After everything's said and done, it's like $4 for those vitamins. Not the worst deal because you're getting a 100 count. If you want the gummy ones, they are a little bit more, but to go on the cheap, this is the best deal. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, we have a little hodgepodge of items, including a Walgreens Epsom Salt for $3.99, and then 2 of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers for $6.58. So we're going to load the following digital coupons. The first one is a $3.25 off of 2, and you can see on the right-hand side what is attaching, or the qualifying products. There they are. And then the $1.50 for the Epsom Salt, and this is my favorite thing to get for curbside deals. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $10.57. We've met our $10 threshold for curbside pickup. Free, tax, $4.75 melting off, pay $6.45. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.45 and call this a really good deal. Okay, deal number 3. We are going to grab another Epsom Salt and then a L'Oreal Paris Revitalift face cleanser for $6.79. We have this gorgeous $5 digital. Make sure that you have it loaded, and yes, it is attaching. And then we also have the $1.50 digital for the Epsom Salt. Looking at the overall basket, it's $10.78 for those 2 items. Curbside pickup is free, 65 cents in tax, and $6.50 in digitals melting off. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 93 cents and call this a super smart deal. Okay, now we have curbside number 4. We're also going to grab for this one of the L'Oreal cleansers for $6.79, and then 2 of the Dial body washes at $7. We have this coupon, which is a 3 off of 2 for the Dial body wash. It expires on Saturday, so use it or lose it. And then we're also going to load our best friend, which is the $5 off for the L'Oreal Skin Cleanser. Okay, so the basket is $13.79, free curbside pickup, a little bit of tax, and $8 in digital coupons melting off. The new total is $6.62. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.62 and call this smart with 3 T's. The final deal that we have, deal number 5, we are going to grab 1 Tom's of Maine for $4.99 and then 2 of the L'Oreal Elvis shampoos for $10.98. You're going to load this 4 off of 2 manufacturer for the shampoo. There's tons of savings with the Elvis shampoo. We also have this 2 off of 2 IVC coupon. If you look below, 3 off of 2 instant savings for Elvis as well. The overall basket is $15.97, $5 in promotions, free curbside pickup, 66 cents of tax, and then the $4 manufacturer for the Elvive coming off. The new total is $7.63. However, Tom's of Maine is buy 1, get $3 back in Walgreens cash. So like $4 for 2 shampoos and a very fancy toothpaste. I think that's a super smart deal. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.